did you get on your nose?
So the biggest problem we're having with this cat is we have dogs and we have a cat, and they're having trouble getting used to each other. So we need to find a safe place for the cat to use the litter box and have its food and water, where the dogs can't get in and eat the cat food and drink the cat water and mess with the litter box. So we are going to come up with something here today using some old plastic totes. We're going to make a new litter box and make a little food and water hut for our cat to get into. So the plan is to use these two inexpensive plastic totes. We're going to turn one into a litter box and the other into a food and water hut. So let's cut some holes and get this put together. So we got the edges cleaned up pretty good with the snips actually from the inside, and kind of squared this up just a little bit. But Summer would like to put a fabric edge on here. So we're going to use some camouflage fabric and some hot glue to make just to cover these little jagged edges out of the plastic.
Did it make a hole in the wood? Okay. Okay, let me screw them in and then we'll put the... If I ever take my hand off... See, put the washer...
You can't get in there. Ha ha. Hey, no.
He loves to keep eating the plants.
Stop it.
I think so. Oh, look, it's a little. He's eating this off.
He's eating at the cafe. Oh no, he doesn't want to come out.
There we go.
Well, I think Chip likes his new restroom and his new little kitty cafe. He's been using them over the last couple days, and we actually put this up in Summer's bedroom to have him be a little bit more comfortable as he gets used to the dog. So the idea with these two little bins is the litter box is cat friendly but dog proof. So the dog can't really get in there very easily. I mean, the dog can stick our nose in there, I guess. But the dog will actually get into the litter box and be gross. So we want to keep that from happening. So this works out well for that. It's got some air holes in the top, and it gives us kind of a little shelf to store some of the cat food and other items. And then the kitty cafe just has the food and water inside. And so again, that just keeps the dog from coming in here and eating the cat food and getting into the cat water. We have this actual piece of carpet that they left us. It's an extra square when they put the carpet in that I have just right in front of this. So when the cat walks in and out of the litter box, sometimes there's litter stuck to his feet and it'll get on this carpet. So this we can take right outside the balcony and shake it off, or vacuum this, and it won't mess up the actual carpet in here. So this is all your fault. There are going to be some animal changes around here on the homestead, and getting the cat actually has a purpose. There is a usefulness. What does the cat do for us in and around the house?
Eat mice.
Eats mice. We have had mice around here. Living in the woods has proven to be a great place for lots of chipmunks and mice to be kind of invasive, and so having a cat is important. So this will be our new little mouser as he gets older, for in and out, maybe out and around the house too. We'll see.
Maybe.
Yeah. But that means that we're going to be getting rid of some other animals, and so I'll take you guys along for that. We've never had a cat in the house, and so the dogs have never lived with a cat. So this is something we have to work on. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the little kitty restaurant, the kitty cafe, and the kitty restroom, and maybe this will help you get some ideas. Having a lid in an enclosed area for the litter box is very helpful. The cats like it, and it just keeps the mess out of the room that it's in and the smell down and stuff like that. So love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit thumbs up on today's video. Of course, subscribe if you want to tag along and hang out with the SSL Family Dad in summer sometimes too, right? And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.